linear transformations of roots. So what we want to do now is, if we have a polynomial that we know has roots, for example alpha, beta and gamma, what we want to do is find a new polynomial which has some roots that are somehow related to alpha, beta and gamma by some linear transformation. So we want to find a new polynomial with these new roots. So for example, consider the cubic equation x cubed minus 2x squared plus 3x minus 4 equals 0. This has roots alpha, beta and gamma, and we want to find the equations of polynomials with integer coefficients with roots 2 alpha, 2 beta and 2 gamma. So let's use a different letter for our new variable in the new equation. So for example, I could use w. So if w is going to be my new variable instead of x, then we know the roots of the polynomial with w are double the roots of the polynomial with x. So we can let w be 2x, which implies that x is a half w. And then we know x satisfies this equation. So let's replace x with w over 2 in this. So we're going to get w over 2 cubed minus 2 w over 2 squared plus 3 w over 2 minus 4 equals 0. And then we want integer coefficients, so let's multiply everything by 8 and we'll get w cubed, and then this is 2 times a quarter times 8, that's 4 w squared, and then 3 over 2 times 8 is 12, and then 4 times 8 is 32. And then this is our new polynomial in w with integer coefficients that has roots 2 alpha, 2 beta and 2 gamma. And then for the second part, we can do a similar sort of thing. We'll let w this time be, well, each of these roots are 2 less than these roots, so let's let w be x minus 2. Which is equivalent to saying w plus 2 is x, and then we know x satisfies this equation, so let's replace x everywhere here with w plus 2. So we get w plus 2 cubed minus 2 w plus 2 squared plus 3 w plus 2 minus 4 equals 0. And then let's just expand everything out. So that's w cubed, and then it's going to be, I think, 6w squared, and then I think 12w plus 8, and then minus 2, lots of w squared plus 4w plus 4, plus 3w plus 6 minus 4 equals 0. And then let's tidy this up. So this is the same as w cubed, and then I've got 4w squared, and then 12w, take 8w is 4w, add 3w is 7w, and then 8 minus 8 plus 6 minus 4, that's plus 2. And this is the new equation here. So in each case, we just made this linear transformation with w that enabled us to find the new equation. It is also possible to use Vieta's formulas, but this method in general is much quicker.